Guys, are you done? Hello? So let's check the answer for this. Examples. Guys, let's check your answers. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I lost connection. I lost my internet connection earlier. Sorry. So let's check your answers. Did you get this? Hello?
Sir, yung letter E lang, sir.
So for letter E, let's find for the element X in such, for the set Z, negative, wherein X should be from, it should be less than -1, and the X should be less than less than 4. So Z here is negative integer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is smaller than -1? For all negative integers, is -2 lesser than -1?
Yes, sir.
But in this, we have to satisfy that it should be from -1 and lesser than 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
So all the numbers here would be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? But that will not make it true because 0, 1, 2, 3 is greater than -1, right? So the answer here is we don't have an element that will satisfy this. We won't have an element that will be available in such a way that it would satisfy this statement. Gets?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So we're going to talk about subsets. Subsets, a basic relation between sets is that of subset. Subset is when if A and B are sets, then A is called a subset of B, and it is written in this form: A is a subset of B if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. So if we'll write it symbolically, A is a subset. This is the symbol for a subset of B, means that for all elements X, if X is an element of A, then X should be an element of B. Yes? The phrases A is contained in B and B contains A are alternative ways of saying that A is a subset of B. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So the element available in set A should also be available in set B. Yes? So we can call it A is a subset of B. There's no question here for subset.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for proper subset, the symbol is this. Let A and B sets be a set. A is a proper subset of B if and only if every element of B is in B, but there is at least one element of B that is not in A. Gets? Did you get this definition? A is a proper subset of B if all elements of A is available in set B, but there are elements of set B of at least one element of B that is not in A. So not all elements in set B is available in set A. And all elements in set A is available on set B. Gets? Before we call it A is a proper subset of B. Gets?
Sir, pwedeng pag-interchange, sir? Pwede, sir? Pwede po, sir?
No. We would write it like this. A is a proper subset of B will be true if and only if every element of B is in B, but there is at least one element of B that is not in A. So all elements in A is available in set B, but not all elements in set B is available on set A. I'll just give you an example. Let A be all positive integers. So when we see the symbol, it is from 1 to infinity. And let set B is equals to n in such n is an element of Z in such a way that it is from 0 or less than or equal to n and less than and equal to 100. And let set C is equals to 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Evaluate the truth and falsity if each of the following statements is true or false. So for A, for letter A, B is a subset of A. Is it true or false? Is B a subset of A? True or false? Anyone? The answer here is false. Because if we are going to look at here, set B. Set B is from 0, right? Because less than or equal to n. So The elements here in set B is from 0 to 100. So it could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 100, right? But for set A, it is positive integer. So positive integer is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for this letter A, it is false. Gets? Did you guys get it?
Sir.
Sir, pwedeng pakiulit po, sir.
First, let's look at this set. What do you think is the elements of this set? Set B. Z represents integer, right? With our previous topic, Z
Yes, sir.
represents integers. So it would be from negative 1 up to positive numbers, right? Negative, 0, and positive. So for this set B, what are the elements of this? It is going to be from 0 to 100, right? 0,
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 100. So that is our set B. How about set A? Set A is equals to positive integer. So what are the elements of set A? It would be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity, right? All positive integer.
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
So what is our definition for subset? If all elements in B are all elements in B available in A? True or false?
False.
False, because element B, set B has a 0 number, right? Element A doesn't have 0 here. It's from 1 to positive integer. Gets?
Gets, sir.
So that is for subset. How about letter B? C is a proper subset of A. True or false? Okay, guys, the answer here is true. Any violent reaction? The answer here is true. Any question? C is a proper subset of A because it is true because the elements in set C is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. All of these elements can be available here, right? Because it is positive. These are positive integers, right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 are positive integers, right? So the elements in C, all elements in C is available in set A, right? But there are other elements, which is, in this definition, at least one element of set C that is not in A. Gets? So all elements of set C is available in A, But there are other elements in A that is not available in C. So that is how you define proper subset. Gets?
Yes, sir.
Nagets na yung proper subset? Did you get the proper subset?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Proper subset means that this element, all elements in this set should be available in this set, but not all elements, or there is at least one element in this set that is not available here. So that is how you define proper subset. Yes? So for letter C, C and B have at least one element in common. True or false? So if your answer is true, what is that element? What is the common element in this set C and B? Okay, 100. Nice. So for letter D, C is a subset of B. True or false? C is a subset of B. Okay, I think all of you got this one. So how about letter E? C is a subset of C. C is a subset of C. Why am I seeing false here? The answer here is true. All elements of C is located in C also. And all elements here in this set is also here. So it is a subset of, a set is a subset of itself. Just remember that. How about letter F? Letter F. The answer here is false. Remember guys, for proper subset, at least one element should not be available here. All elements here should be available here, but not all elements here, or at least one element here is not available here. But since they are both set C, so all elements here is available here, and all elements here is available here. So letter F is false. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the